Are you high or just incredibly stupid?
First, take a big step back and literally fuck your own face!
Oh, good for you!
Can't tie my shoes, but I can fuck your bitch.
You think I'm cute? Yes or no? Yes?
Have anybody ever tell you you look like Beyonce?
Nah, they usually tell me I look like Shalissa.
Who the fuck is that?
Me, nigga.
Huh? Who? What are you, a fucking owl? Who is she?
I don't.
Do you think I want your nigga? Yes or no? Yes? No, bitch, your nigga want me. The fat?
This bitch had the nerve, the audacity to touch my motherfucking hair. Do not touch my hair.
Yo, can someone take me to the airport?
I'll do it.
Oh my god, Jeff, shut up. God, I fucking hate you. Yo, you guys wanna go get pizza? I'm down. Shut up, Jeff, I wasn't talking to you.
I'm down. My name is Jeff.
Ratchet ass hoe, I don't fuck around. If you fuck with my man, I'll burn your house down.
Don't ever tell me I'm ugly. Bitch, is you blind?
Bitch, don't call me ugly. I said, bitch, where? She said, under all that makeup. I said, bitch, never mind. You right. You got that.
I was telling him he needs to. You know what? Just stop it. Stop it. Just back the hell up. Your breath is stink.
We Jump Street, and we're about to jump in your ass.
Right in the crack.
Are you drunk?
I don't know, Mom. Am I?
I'm taking a nap.
You wanna take a nap?
I'm taking a nap here.
Okay, take a nap right there then.
Good night.
I was telling him he needs to. You know what? Just stop it. Stop it. Just back the hell up. Your breath is stink.
Cause some came in the mail today.
I did.
These nuts. Got him. Got him.